Alright, so here's our Char-Broil Commercial Grill. About 5 years old. Time to overhaul it. Firebox is in really good shape. Solid. Got one burner with a hole in it, so I'll replace that. This bottom here is in rough shape. The bottom panel's rotted out, and the back panel's rotted out. So we have a new one of those coming from Char-Broil. The rest of it's in pretty good shape. Just needs a good cleaning. Alright, here we go. We got this Char-Broil Commercial broken down now. I took the base, the sides off of it, and I got it cleaned up a little bit. Actually cleaned up pretty well. Here you can see the firebox. It's in really great shape. That's probably the only reason that I'm even rebuilding this. If the firebox was shot, I probably would have trashed it. But you can see the underside still shiny. Here's the parts that I'm reusing. See, all the burners are good, except this one has a little hole in it, so we'll replace that. Grates are still good. These are the two side panels I'm going to reuse. This is all the parts that are rotted. This is, I think this is a heat, some kind of a heat shield. I wasn't able to find that to purchase new from Char-Broil. So that actually comes, I think if you buy a new firebox, this comes on it. It was riveted on there, but I'm just going to bend up a new one out of some sheet metal because I'm not going to buy a new firebox just for that. Here you can see this is the bottom panel, totally rotted out. And then these are the side panels, which are trash. So this is where I'm at now. Probably got about an hour in it right now, including cleaning it. So as soon as my parts get here, we'll put it back together. Okay, here's my heat shield that I made up. Just bent it up out of a piece of galvanized sheet metal I got from Lowe's. Bent it to match. Here's the original one. Said I couldn't buy this piece. It only comes on the, I think if you buy the firebox, it comes on it. So I just measured it and made this piece. I don't know if it's a heat shield or grease tray or whatever it is. But, so there it is. So I'm going to rivet that back on and start putting her back together. Okay, so there's my homemade heat shield. And I spray painted it black, give it a little extra protection. Kind of hard to see because it's getting dark out here, but there it is. Alright, here it is all put back together. Got it cleaned up real good. There's a new back panel. New burners, new flame tamers. Actually, one new burner. I should hopefully get a few more years out of it now. There's the new bottom panel. Remember the old one was all rotted out. I just have to get a new igniter there. I ordered one of them. It's like 10 bucks, so I got that coming. It should be good as new. Beats throwing it in the landfill.